Good morning. Today I Prithviraj Sandeep Deshmukh from class 10B. Today I am going to show you a 50 presentation on soil. Contents: types of Indian soil, importance of soil as a resource, formation of soil, classes, factors of classification of soil, different types of soil, what is soil erosion, types of soil erosion, and measures of soil conservation. The soils of India have been classified into alluvial soils, black soils, red and yellow soils, laterite soils, arid soils, and forest soils. Alluvial soil. This is the most widely spread and important soil. These have been deposited by the three important Himalayan rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. Alluvial soil are found in the eastern coastal plains, particularly in the delta of Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, and the Kaveri rivers. The alluvial soil has various proportions of sand, silt, clay. Alluvial soils as a whole are very fertile. Alluvial soil is ideal for growing sugarcane, paddy, wheat, cereals, and pulses. Black soil. These soils are black in color and are also known as rigor soils. Black soil is ideal for growing cotton and is also known as black cotton soil. Climatic condition along with the parent rock material are the important factors for the formation of black soil. This type of soil is typical of the Deccan Trap region spread over northwest Deccan Plateau and is made up of lava flows. They cover the plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh and extend in southeast direction along the Godavari and Krishna valleys. The black soils are made up of extremely fine, that is clay material. Red and yellow soil. Red soil develops on crystalline igneous rocks in areas of low rainfall in eastern areas. Re- Yellow and red soils are also found in parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of middle Ganga plain and along the Piedmont zone of the western Ghats. These soils develop a reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. It looks yellow when it occurs in hydrated form. Laterite soil. Laterite had been derived from the Latin word later, which means brick. The laterite soil develops in area with high temperature and heavy rainfall. This is the result of intense leaching due to heavy rain. Humus content of soil is low because most of the microorganisms, particularly the decomposers like bacteria, get destroyed due to high temperature. Laterite soil is suitable for cultivation with adequate doses of manures and fertilizers. These soils are mainly found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and the hilly areas of Odisha and Assam. Arid soil. Arid soil range from red to blue in color. They are generally sandy and texture and saline in nature. In some areas, the salt content is very high and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. Due to the dry climate, the high temperature, evaporation is faster and the soil lacks humus and moisture. The lower horizon of the soil are occupied by conker because of the increasing calcium content downwards. Forest soil. These soils are found in the hilly and mountainous areas where sufficient rainforests are available. Soil texture varies according to the mountain environment where they are formed. They are loamy and silty in valley sides and coarse grain in upper slopes. In the snow covered areas of Himalayas, this soil experience denudation and are acidic with low humus content. The soil found in lower parts of valleys, particularly on the river terraces and alluvial fines, are fertile. Importance of soil as a resource. Soil is the most important renewable natural resource. It is the medium of plant growth and support different types of living organisms on the earth. Soil helps in providing food to this earth. What is soil erosion? The denudation of soil cover and subsequent washing down is described as soil erosion. Types of soil erosion. Splash erosion. In splash erosion, the impact of falling raindrop creates a smaller crater in the soil, ejecting soil particles. Sheet erosion. Sheet erosion is the transport of loosened soil particles by flow of water. Rill erosion. Rill erosion occurs when runoff water forms a small channel as it concentrates down a slope. Gully erosion. Gully erosion occurs when runoff water accumulates and rapidly flows in narrow channel during or immediately after heavy rain or melting of snow, removing soil to a considerable depth. Measures of soil conservation: contour plowing, terrace farming, windbreaks, crop rotation, soil conservation farming, dry farming, rain gardens, re-establish forest cover, and prevent overgrazing. Thank you.